Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We'll keep this one very quick and to the point. Nestle is hiring someone to work from home. Some of the job duties will be processing phone orders. Of course, Nestle is a well-known company. They have 15,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. And real quickly, I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And please make sure you're sharing with all your friends and family. The goal of this channel is this year in 2024 to help everyone find their dream work from home job. But Nestle is hiring a customer service representative. Now, Nestle has so many brands under them like Nespresso, Purina, Nature's Bounty, Vital Proteins, and they're basically looking for somebody to handle customer inquiries through the phone. So you'll be taking phone calls, answering any questions they have, and also taking and processing phone orders. So they're looking for somebody to work from home Monday through Friday, 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No weekends or holidays are required, but you do need to convert your hours if you're outside of the Eastern time zone to those hours to see if they work for you. But you'll basically process all orders received through inbound calls with strong attention to detail, making sure the orders are accurate, following policies and procedures, ensuring a quality consistent with every customer that you interact with. You'll also handle all aspects or questions of orders like managing and solving all shipping issues, finance, quality, products, order logistics, inquiries requiring investigation into what happened to the order, troubleshooting, just different things like that. They don't require any kind of college degree. Although they prefer one, they only actually require a high school diploma or GED, and 1 year of some kind of customer service experience is needed. They prefer a call center environment, but it's not needed as long as you have 1 year of customer service. You do need to know how to use Microsoft Office and computer systems, be detail oriented and customer service oriented. Pay for this position is anywhere from $35,000 a year all the way up to $45,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I'm out here searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.